Over the last year, I've learned the life skills of teamwork, public speaking, and entrepreneurship, and how to use AI to have superpowers.
And at Alpha, we set ambitious goals. Our goal was to raise actual money from actual investors to launch our business.
Today, we're at Capital Factory, pitching our business ideas.
Today we'll be presenting to you about our book about modern-day mental health and what we can do to help teens all across America.
We are Helping Me, a book for teenagers written by teenagers.
I'm passionate about helping teens to have people there for them.
I know exactly how it feels and will do anything to prevent my peers from feeling the same way I did.
That's why I want to create this book, so I can give other teens that resource that I couldn't find.
There are 40 million self-help books published per year, but there are 0 that are tailored for teens by teens.
Here, we have a sample of our book. We have written the first chapter.
We are pricing at $19.99. This is a small enough price point that teens can order it themselves without needing the funding of their parents.
We are here asking for $10,000 for marketing. We are going to use popular social media platforms such as TikTok and Instagram to directly target teens.
Sadly, it's becoming a universal experience for teens to deal with mental illnesses that aren't listened to by the public or even their own families.
But they aren't alone. We are working hard to make teens feel understood.
We are the change.
We are making a difference.
We are Helping Me. As you can see, we raised enough money to launch and fund the business through the summer.
When we finish our book, I'll send you a link so you can check it out and see how we did.